Well, bago pa man sumikat ang mga SUVs and crossovers, mas nauna namang sumikat ang station wagon. Well, of course, we can all agree that station wagons are such a character vehicle, hindi ba? That is why we are thankful that manufacturers like Subaru is still believing in this kind of vehicle form. Friends, this is Makoy Dubs and welcome to another episode of Clutch, and today we are going to review the 2025 Subaru WRX GTS wagon. Focusing on the exterior of the WRX wagon, I personally like the design of the wagon form as compared to the WRX sedan. Well, of course, sa harapan, you get a hood scoop because the turbo intercooler is placed here, and also you got 18-inch alloy wheels. And overall, it has long proportion. And yun naman talaga ang essence ng wagon. Mahaba talaga siya. And it's almost the same length as an SUV. But what you're going to love with the wagon is always, it's the center of gravity. Lalong-lalo na, boxer engine ito. Now, let's go inside and, check some techie stuff. Now, we are inside the WRX wagon and ang masasabi ko, it's pretty much the same as the sedan version. But of course, tulad nga na nabanggit ko dun din sa unang video natin ng WRX sedan, yung infotainment screen nga here, it's subjective. It's either you like it or you hate it. But driving this for a week, nasanay na rin ako na ganyang kalaki yung kanyang infotainment screen. Para kung merong iPad na nakadikit dito sa gitna. But of course, palagi ko na din itong sinasabi, I still appreciate the presence of the volume knobs, the buttons, but mostly if you're going to control your AC, dito na yan sa infotainment screen. You've got two USB-A ports, an AUX port, and of course, a 12-volt socket. Wala itong wireless charging, but the infotainment system is equipped with Subaru Starlink and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Hindi siya wireless. Yun lang napansin ko doon. Of course, syempre, alam niyo naman, Subaru 4.0 eyesight. Meron kang sensors dito to monitor if you are texting while driving. Kaya kapag medyo nagte-text ka while you're driving, the car will remind you to keep your eyes on the road. Lalabas yan dito sa kanyang instrument gauge cluster. Now, wala kang sunroof or moonroof. At its price point, at 2.8 million something, I was kind of expecting na meron. Pero of course, same as the other Subaru models, yung ibang variants wala. So, for the WRX Wagon GTS, wala kang sunroof. Driving position, for me, it's comfortable. For me, the driving position is accommodating. And, driving this for a week, na feel ko rin na ang ganda ng driving position ko. Parang kitang-kita ko lahat. Well, meron din kasi meron tulong din yung mirror dito sa ating A-pillar. You have memory seat function. The seats dito sa driver, it's automatic adjustment. Also dito rin sa passenger. 2 cup holders, and syempre, hindi mawawala to ang armrest, ang center armrest. Kaya pwede ka rin maglagay ng mga abubot dyan. Syempre, ang ating glove box compartment. So may mga blank buttons dito. Well, I'm thinking kaya siya blank is because some of the features, you will have that sa WRX TS. Yung wagon din. Meron ding TS or tuned by STI. Now, that's all I can say dito sa harapan. But what's the better way to experience and appreciate the space of a wagon? Well, let's sit at the rear. When you own a wagon, what you'll always appreciate is the space. Kaya, upo tayo dito sa likod. Diba? Alam niyo, bago talaga sumikat ang mga SUVs and crossovers, wagon paved the way talaga. This is my driving position sa harapan, and this is the comfortable seating position ko dito sa may likod. But you have an option to change that. Kung gusto mong medyo mas hindi nakasandal, pwede mo naman baguhin, no? Pero kung gusto mo ng medyo talagang nakasandal ka ng bongga, iilipat mo, sagad mo hanggang ano. So, ito yung pinakasagad. Ayan. So, this is comfortable for me. Now, what do you have here? You have 2 aircon vents and 2 USB-A ports. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang cup holders. You have 2 cup holders here. But overall, for a family car, if you're going to buy a family car like this, ang sporty niya, ang sporty ng feel. Lalo na kung ipanghahatid at sundo mo to sa anak mo, may arrive. Iba yung feel. And I must say, may character talaga as compared sa mga SUV or crossovers. Parang pag wagon yung dala mo kasi parang doon mo masasabi na, may taste yung tao. Now, let's check the compartment. Ito talaga ang selling proposition ng mga wagon, trunk space. So dito na-imagine ko, mga 2 malaking maleta and siguro mga 3 maliliit pa na mga maleta. And syempre, the seats sa likuran, pwede mo yan ganyan. Pipindutin mo lang at syempre bababa na siya. Meron kang spare tire, so hindi ka mag-aalala just in case maflatan ka. Pero syempre hindi natin wini-wish na maflatan tayo, ano? That's one of the inconveniences na ayaw ma-experience ng any kind of driver. So yeah, napakaluwag. Ang luwag-luwag. Yun ang gusto ko sa wagon. It sits low, ganda ng driving, pero marami ka rin pwedeng malagay. Now, the magic happens inside the hood. So this is powered by an F824 engine, which is a 2.4-liter boxer engine that produces 275 PS and 350 Newton meters of torque. Now, some of the Subaru guys and gals would say, hindi siya automatic. Yes, hindi siya automatic. CVT na siya. Pero I'm telling you, Subaru makes one of the engaging CVTs here. So, let's not judge the book by its cover. Let's judge it by its driving. Charot! Eto. Drive na natin. So, what's the better way to experience the WRX wagon? Well, syempre, kailangan natin imaneho. Pag ako meron ganitong sasakyan, parang ayoko maging passenger princess. Parang gusto ko ako yung driver talaga. Well, number 1, what can you expect from a Subaru? Alam niyo, in all of the Japanese car brands, Subaru knows its market. Alam ng Subaru ang kanyang target market. Sa Amerika, sabi nga nila, kapag ka naka-Subaru ka, baka daw ikaw ay LGBT. Kasi halos karamihan, hindi makaramihan, parang may stereotype na pag naka-Subaru ka sa US, you're a lesbian. Siyempre, wala naman tayo sa Amerika. Mag-focus tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Here in the Philippines, definitely Subaru is one of the brands that answers to the call of the enthusiasts. And for me, the lineup of Subaru overall, talagang pure driving engagement and enthusiasm. What do you get sa Subaru WRX wagon na hindi mo makukuha sa sedan? Well, first things first, if gusto mo ng subtle lang, kung gusto mong maki-blend in, mas okay ang wagon. Kasi kumbaga, hindi siya sing-pansinin as compared to the sedan. And that's my opinion. For me, the wagon is more quiet in terms of presence. Pero pag nakita mo siyang umaandar sa kalsada, doon mo masasabi na, uy, gwapo ng auto na yan Diba? Parang, uy, may dating and may taste yung driver or may-ari ng sasakyan. Of course, this sits on a Subaru global platform, so you would really expect driving fun and, of course, rigidity of the chassis. The F824 engine is the same engine that you would see in the Subaru Evoltis or Ascent. Siyempre, the non-turbo variant or the non-turbo application, makikita mo yan sa BRZ and GR86. It has so much character because of the turbo. So talagang pag piniga mo, ibibigay niya talaga sa'yo at mas matulin din talaga siya. The eyesight is one of the best applications of any ADAS system. If we are talking about a Japanese manufacturer, I use the low speed follow option or feature. It works. It works really well. Ang galing niya. Tsaka syempre natutuwa rin ako na meron siyang sensor dito. Nakikita ko ng kotse na, huwag ka mag-text habang nagda-drive. Now, let's talk about the price. The price is something na hindi basta-basta para sa masa. Kasi nga, iba yung market ng Subaru. Pero at the end of the day, it's all about preference. It's all about budget capacity. What can you really do while owning this kind of vehicle? Siyempre, iba rin ang maintenance, di ba? Iba rin ang maintenance ng Subaru. Pero kung talagang gusto mo, driving fun, engagement, iba ang all-wheel drive. It's very confident in corners. Habang binabaon mo, talagang mas lalo pa siyang lumalapat. Pero syempre, hindi mo naman hahatawin lagi-lagi, di ba? You have 3 types of modes of driving. So you have the S-Sharp, which is the more aggressive one. And it does this fake shifts of the CVT para ma-utilize nga yung power band at a certain RPM. And you have the intelligent drive, which is appropriate for everyday and normal driving conditions. And lastly, the S-Drive, or maybe I would assume sport mode ito. Mas linear din yung throttle response. But for everyday driving, ang kakailanganin mo lang ay yung intelligent mode. Minsan napapaisip ako, bakit kaya inalis yung Subaru Levorg na nameplate at ginawa na lang na WRX wagon dito sa Philippines? Maybe because of the name recall. Even the Impreza is not here anymore. Iba na rin ang directions ng Subaru when it comes to changing the nameplates. But here in the country, ilan na lang ang option mo for a wagon, to be honest. Siyempre, kung gusto mo naman ng European, you have the BMW and Audi for the wagon options. But also, for the Japanese, you only have 2 options. Mazda 6 and Subaru WRX wagon. Well, definitely, the Subaru WRX is the most sporty one among those 2 because I find the Mazda 6 more executive. Mas pang-executive yung feel ng Mazda 6. Whereas the Subaru WRX wagon, ito yung parang tito ka or tatay ka na medyo gusto mo pa rin ng racing. Kumbaga, the WRX DNA in you na siguro nagka-STI ka dati, WRX STI, nagkaroon ka nun dati, nami-miss mo. So, kumbaga, ayaw mo pa rin kumawala sa Subaru DNA. Now, to end our video, all I can say is I really had fun driving this car in the past 7 days. We are very thankful and lucky na we're able to drive machines like this. I'm very grateful din sa ginagawa kong to, no, na nakakamaneho ko ng iba't ibang klaseng sasakyan. And kumbaga, I'm also able to say kung ano yung feedback ko regarding the car. Kung para saang market siya, para kaninong type of driver yung ganitong klaseng sasakyan. But for a price of 2,800,000 mahigit, at that kind of price point, dami mo nang pwedeng mabili na iba't ibang option. Pwede ka nang naka-pick up, naka-SUV, pwede ka nang naka-sport sedan, 'di ba? Kung mamarapatin mo. Ang masasabi ko lang sa price, Subaru ito eh. Again, they know their market. It's all about your preference. It's all about your priority. One thing I can assure you, the car would never fail to deliver in bringing smile in your face because it brings smile to my face every time I drive it. It's not an STI, pero man, ang sarap imaneho. Yung bang priority mo? Well, kung yun ang priority mo, eto ang bilhin mo. Kung hindi yun ang priority mo, marami kang ibang options. That's it for our review. This has been Kokoy Dubs. Once again, thank you for watching.